more stuff by the way. Skirt hers, top hers, swimsuit hers. Slay.
Which one is better?
Which one?
Earrings.
Wait, this. Okay. I like that.
Oh, she's vlogging.
Yes.
We shall see. Hey guys, today we are going to the beach. I'm going with my friends and I have the cameras. And yeah, I'm going to the beach. I'm wearing all of her clothes. These are my jewelries. I slept over. I didn't think we were going to the beach. I didn't bring any stuff. But now we're going to the beach. So I had to borrow everything from her. Which is so cute because I love her stuff. Like I love her outfits. I love her clothes. I love her everything. I love her. Wow. We're leaving soon. See ya.
Girl, what's with that bag, bro? Wow, si Madam. With a big bag. Say hi, Erin. Say hi. Not sure. What? Da, 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 da. Yay! Food and drinks not allowed.
Yes, exactly what we should.
All my days. There's literally no one.
Wait, I guess you have to reach themselves.
Oh my god, golly gosh. Look at the sun also. Hmm? Or oh,
It's not empty. There's someone there.
no, we're gonna go somewhere.
Is it possible to spill oil?
I've not tried this ever.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. He looks good, guys. I'm not kidding.
What? Are you serious? Are you actually serious?
there's a jellyfish guy. It is there.
Guys, there's literally a jellyfish. Now I'm scared to swim.
There's a
We walked outside for like 30 minutes. And we're finally, it's cold. Finally, we are now at the market. Shopping for fruits and snacks for later. Yeah. Oh my. Oh. I'm gonna try a dragon fruit because it's my first time.
dragon fruit.
tastes like nothing, right?
But it's sweet. But it's sweet though.
Yeah. There's like nothing like
I would pick a watermelon more than that.